Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss body fluids and circulation top 50 multiple choice questions. 1. Blood of which vessel in mammals carries least percentage of urea? A. Dorsal aorta. B. Renal vein. C. Renal artery. D. Posterior vena cava. Answer. B. Renal vein. 2. The blood pressure is measured by the instrument. A. Stethoscope. B. Echocardiography. C. Sphygmomanometer. D. Electrocardiograph. Answer. C. Sphygmomanometer. 3. Heart failure occurs due to A. Heart stops beating. B. Damage of heart muscles. C. Congestion of lungs. D. All of the above. Answer. C. Congestion of lungs. 4. The middleman of our body is A. Kidney. B. Lymph. C. Heart. D. Blood. Answer. B. Lymph. 5. Blood and lymph differ in A. Blood has cells while lymph is without cells. B. Blood has RBCs which are absent in lymph. C. Blood has several inorganic substances which are absent in lymph. D. Blood has WBCs which are absent in lymph. Answer. B. Blood has RBCs which are absent in lymph. 6. Blood platelets are source of A. Calcium. B. Fibrinogen. C. Hemoglobin. D. Thromboplastin. Answer. D. Thromboplastin. 7. In ECG, the depolarization of atria is indicated by A. S wave. B. R wave. C. P wave. D. Q wave. Answer. C. P wave. 8. Pacemaker of the heart is A. AV node. B. IA septum. C. SA node. D. AV septum. Answer. C. SA node. 9. Lifespan of RBC is A. 50 days. B. 70 days. C. 120 days. D. 220 days. Answer. C. 120 days. 10. In developing embryo, RBCs are formed in A. Lymph node. B. Bone marrow. C. Liver. D. Spleen. Answer. C. Liver. 11. Which of the following is not a function of the heart? A. Pumping blood around the body. B. Delivering oxygen to cells. C. Removing waste products like carbon dioxide. D. Regulating body temperature. Answer. D. Regulating body temperature. 12. A respiratory pigment is absent in A. Earthworm. B. Frog. C. Rabbit. D. Cockroach. Answer. D. Cockroach. 13. In humans, blood passes from the postcaval to the diastolic right atrium of heart due to A. Pressure difference between the postcaval and atrium. B. Pushing open of the venous valves. C. Suction pull. D. Stimulation of the sino-auricular node. Answer. A. Pressure difference between the postcaval and atrium. 14. An individual has O blood group if his/her blood sample A. Clumps only when antiserum A is added. B. Clumps only when antiserum B is added. C. Clumps when both antiserum A and antiserum B are added. D. Does not clump when either antiserum A or antiserum B is added. Answer. Sad face. D. Does not clump when either antiserum A or antiserum B is added. 15. Which of the following is absent from blood? A. Fluid matrix. B. Fibroblast. C. Plasma. D. Formed elements. Answer. B. Fibroblast. 16. Blood clotting involves the conversion of A. Prothrombin to thromboplastin. B. Thromboplastin to prothrombin. C. Fibrinogen to fibrin. D. Fibrin to fibrinogen. Answer. B. Thromboplastin to prothrombin. 17. Lymph lacks A. Erythrocytes. B. Plasma proteins. C. Platelets. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. 18. Sickle cell anemia is induced by A. Change of amino acid in A chain of hemoglobin. B. Change of amino acid in B chain of hemoglobin. C. Change of amino acid in both A and B chain of hemoglobin. D. Change of amino acid in either A or B chain of hemoglobin. Answer. B. Change of amino acid in B chain of hemoglobin. 19. Which of the following are needed for clotting of blood? A. Fibrinogen. B. Globulin. C. Albumin. D. Magnesium ions. Answer. A. Fibrinogen. 20. Select the correct statement about thrombocytes. A. Thrombocytes are cell fragments produced from megakaryocytes. B. Blood normally contains 1. 50, 350,000 platelets mm cubic. C. Reduction in the platelets causes clotting disorders. D. All of these. Answer. D. All of these. 21. An adult human has systolic and diastolic pressures as A. 80 mm Hg and 120 mm Hg. B. 120 mm Hg and 80 mm Hg. C. 50 mm Hg and 80 mm Hg. D. 80 mm Hg and 80 mm Hg. Answer. B. 120 mm Hg and 80 mm Hg. 22. The sound dub in heart is produced by A. Closure of semilunar valves. B. Closure of AV valves. C. Opening of AV valves. D. Opening of semilunar valves. Answer. A. Closure of semilunar valves. 23. Pacemaker influences. A. Contraction of heart muscles. B. Flow of blood in heat. C. Rate of heartbeat. D. Formation of nerve impulse. Answer. C. Rate of heartbeat. 24. Duration of cardiac cycle is A. 0.7 seconds. B. 0.9 seconds. C. 0.8 seconds. D. 0.11 seconds. Answer. C. 0.8 seconds. 25. In the heart of man, the bicuspid valve is situated between A. Right ventricle and pulmonary aorta. B. Left auricle and left ventricle. C. Right auricle and right ventricle. D. Postcaval and auricle. Answer. B. Left auricle and left ventricle. 26. Which of the following prevents backward flow of blood during contraction? A. Thin auricle valves. B. Thin ventricular walls. C. Thick ventricular walls. D. Valves in heart. Answer. D. Valves in heart. 27. Lymph ultimately release the absorbed substances into A. Lymphatic capillaries. B. Bloodstream veins. C. Lymph nodes. D. Lymphatic duct. Answer. B. Bloodstream veins. 28. Compared to blood or lymph has A. Plasma without proteins. B. More WBCs and no RBCs. C. More RBCs and less WBCs. D. No plasma. Answer. B. More WBCs and no RBCs. 29. Which of the following statements is true for lymph? A. WBCs serum. B. Blood RBCs and some proteins. C. RBCs plus WBCs plus plasma. D. RBCs plus proteins platelets. Answer. B. Blood RBCs and some proteins. 30. What are the functions of lymph? A. Exchange of nutrients and hormones. B. Absorption of fats. C. Accelerates coagulation of blood. D. Both 1 and 2. Answer. D. Both 1 and 2. 31. What is the normal blood pressure of human beings? A. 110/70ths. B. 120/70ths. C. 120/80ths. D. 110/80ths. Answer. Sad face. C. 120/80ths. 32. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except A. Systemic. B. Hepatic. C. Pulmonary. D. Cardiac. Answer. C. Pulmonary. 33. Arteries are best defined as the vessels which A. Carry blood from one visceral organ to another visceral organ. B. Supply oxygenated blood to the different organs. C. Carry blood away from the heart to different organs. D. Break up into capillaries which reunite to form a vein. Answer. C. Carry blood away from the heart to different organs. 34. In developing embryo, RBCs are formed in A. Lymph node. B. Bone marrow. C. Liver. D. Spleen. Answer. Sad face. C. Liver. 35. Heart is incompletely four-chambered in A. Amphibian. B. Birds. C. Fishes. D. Reptiles. Answer. D. Reptiles. 36. A respiratory pigment is absent in A. Earthworm. B. Frog. C. Rabbit. D. Cockroach. Answer. D. Cockroach. 37. In humans, blood passes from the postcaval to the diastolic right atrium of heart due to A. Pressure difference between the postcaval and atrium. B. Pushing open of the venous valves. C. Suction pull. D. Stimulation of the sino-auricular node. Answer. A. Pressure difference between the postcaval and atrium. 38. Oxygenated blood occurs in A. Pulmonary artery. B. Right atrium. C. Right ventricle. D. Pulmonary vein. Answer. D. Pulmonary vein. 39. As the age advances, there is a gradual thinning of hair in human males. This is mainly because of lowered A. Blood supply. B. Synthesis of proteins. C. Synthesis of glycogen. D. Availability of energy. Answer. B. Synthesis of proteins. 40. The vessel carrying blood to Bowman's capsule is A. Afferent arteriole. B. Afferent arteriole. C. Pulmonary vein. D. Renal vein. Answer. B. Afferent arteriole. 41. The cells lining the blood vessels belong to the category of A. Columnar epithelium. B. Connective tissue. C. Smooth muscle tissue. D. Squamous epithelium. Answer. D. Squamous epithelium. 42. Which of the following is not a formed element? A. Erythrocytes. B. Leukocytes. C. Platelets. D. Lymph. Answer. Sad face. D. Lymph. 43. Which of the following is not secreted by basophils? A. Histamine. B. Serotonin. C. Heparin. D. Serum. Answer. D. Serum. 44. Platelets are produced from which of the following cells? A. Erythrocytes. B. Thrombocytes. C. Megakaryocytes. D. Lymphocytes. Answer. Sad face. C. Megakaryocytes. 45. How much percentage of plasma is present in the blood? A. 35%. B. 45%. C. 50%. D. 55%. Answer. Sad face. D. 55%. 46. What is the name of the sac that surrounds the heart? A. Pericardium. B. Myocardium. C. Endocardium. D. Epicardium. Answer. A. Pericardium. 47. What is the function of the coronary arteries? A. To carry blood to the lungs. B. To carry blood to the heart muscle itself. C. To carry blood to the brain. D. To carry blood to the kidneys. Answer. B. To carry blood to the heart muscle itself. 48. What is the name of the valve between the left atrium and left ventricle? A. Tricuspid valve. B. Pulmonary valve. C. Mitral bicuspid valve. D. Aortic valve. Answer. C. Mitral bicuspid valve. 49. What is the natural pacemaker of the heart? A. Atrioventricular node, AV node. B. Sinoatrial node, SA node. C. Bundle of His. D. Purkinje fibers. Answer. B. Sinoatrial node, SA node. 50. What is the role of the ventricles in the heart? A. To receive blood from the atria. B. To pump blood out of the heart. C. To regulate heart rhythm. D. To filter blood. Answer. B. To pump blood out of the heart. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.